Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today I am in the Cotswolds. I was not expecting to be back in the Cotswolds quite so soon, but yesterday Elaine, my friend slash manager, gave me a call and said, I've got a very last minute trip for you that's just popped up. Do you want to go? So I was like, okay, right, where is it? So it turns out it's the Log House Cabins, which is a place I've wanted to stay at for years. They're the most amazing collection of wooden cabins set around a lake with your own little beach and your own little boat that you can go and take out onto the lake. It's just incredible. It's so amazing. So yeah, they got in touch with Elaine yesterday, Monday, and said we've had a last minute cancellation. We've got this cabin that is free. Would Stacey like to come and stay for the night? So I said, hell yes, absolutely hell yes, because I wanted to stay for years. Unfortunately, I can't stay all week. I'm only available today and then I need to get back for tomorrow. So for tonight, the cabin is mine. I've invited Elaine down here to enjoy it with me because it's a massive place. It's 4 bedrooms. It's just, yeah, it's incredible. So I've invited Elaine to come and join me. Unfortunately, Peter and Heidi can't. Pete's working and Heidi's at school. So it's just me and Elaine, and I can't wait to show you around this cabin. It's insane. So here is our own little pier. How cool is this? Absolutely amazing. So here's the lake. And we've got our own boat that we can take out. And there she is. Isn't she a beauty? An absolute mammoth cabin. It's incredible. Really nice. I can't actually believe that I'm here, to be honest. I've wanted to come here for so long, and it is even better than photos show it to be. So here is our hot tub. Cannot wait to get into there. Such a luxury. Right, so we've entered the side door downstairs that takes you into this dining area. Really nice big table. I love this chandelier. You can put your candles on. That would be so beautiful in an evening. You have these amazing views out over the lake. God, I wish I had a whole week here. So we've got a very sizable kitchen over here. Really nice, big space, great for groups. The dining area leads on to this wonderful log burner and living room. Such a beautiful space. It's really relaxed. So down here is the first of the bedrooms. From what I know, they can all be set up as doubles or singles. And it has this amazing view out over the lake. This window is huge, absolutely huge, and just lets so much natural light in. Imagine sunrise peeking up over those trees. It's so nice. Okay, so up here, there are 3 bedrooms. I think Elaine's just working in this one on the right, so I won't go in there. So here is the second bathroom with a gorgeous roll top standalone bath. And another big shower. This is room number 3. So the one next door that Elaine's in at the moment is very similar to this. You've got a big skylight and lots of really lovely old vintage pieces. Right then, through here we have the master suite. Really, really big, lovely space with its own bathroom. Again, another nice big shower and roll-top bath. Although the interesting thing about this room is that it connects to the rest of the house. That's the dining room. Whoopie-daisy. There we go. So, the nice part about the master room, although it does open up straight onto the rest of the living area, which doesn't give you too much privacy, is that it has this really, really nice balcony. So you just come and sit out here in an evening, have a drink, and enjoy these amazing views. Well, we've had a good whiz around the house. We've got loads and loads of photos. It's so beautiful. Now we're going to pop down the road to the local pub and get a bite to eat. God, this house is so nice. It's all the natural light streaming in everywhere. Sorted. Right, we are going to take out the boat.
I think that is the plus and this is the minus.
Whee!
So they didn't have their engine on, did they?
I'm a bad boat passenger.
Delicious ice cream from South Sunny.
There we go. We're out. We're out.
Am I going backwards now?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's it. Get those muscles going.
Okay.
Hey. Oh, that's nice and quiet.
It's so lovely, isn't it?
It's really nice and peaceful.
I'm turning it in, so you should be able to reach it in a minute. Yeah, got it. Go.
I got it.
Off now.
Disembark very gracefully.
Yeah, you get that one.
That's it. Right.
I love the flue. I think it's fantastic.
It's nice. Bubbles for the hot tub.
Fine waitress bubbles for the hot tub. It's coming now.
Ooh.
Cheers, guys. Our first holiday together. Quite a healthy meal to be honest, isn't it?
And it is dawn. Right, well, I've headed outside, got my cup of coffee, keep me nice and warm. Although saying that, it's not actually that cold out here this morning. It's a really, really mild one. Yesterday, it was really cold at night. It was clear sky, so we just woke up to the most amazing sunrise. Today, we've got, as you can see, a blanket of cloud. So, yeah, it's not too cool today. But I just wanted to come out here and enjoy this scenery because it's just so beautiful. All the bird song. Yeah, it's really peaceful, really relaxing, really calming. Something very good for the soul about being outside in nature. It always does you well. It's the kind of place you need to come, bring your whole family and just make the most of the amenities. I'm trying to eat my hair. Make the most of it. We've got boat, kayak, paddleboard, there's a really nice barbecue, a hot tub. There's just so much. You can go swimming here in the lake. So yeah, there's just so much to do. Just unwind and shut off from the busy daily world and just relax and be. I definitely want to come back with a family. Heidi and Peter would love it here. Maybe one day, we will see. But for now, I just thought I'd come, sit down here. I've got my little fire pit. We've got some marshmallows, which we might roast. We might start the fire pit up and roast those. Oh, that's so nice. You can go swimming in the lake here. It was a former gravel pit, and the chap who owns it, he bought it in 1980 at the age of 23, really young. So he bought this massive plot of land. It's 130 acres, and he bought it in 1980, and it's still family run. It's his son James. He still manages this incredible plot of land with all of the cabins. So they've got 8 cabins now. They're made in Finland, and they're so well insulated. They're really, really cozy. As you can imagine, in Finland, their winters can get down to sort of -50, which I can't even imagine being that cold. But yeah, they're really, really snug. And obviously you've got your log burner as well, so you can just heat it up even more if you want to. Not that we needed the fire on last night. It was really nice to pop it on, but yeah, we didn't actually need it because it wasn't too cold last night. But it was nice just to be around a fire. Very relaxing, very soothing. So I was going to enjoy my coffee, and then I'm not sure what we're going to be up to. Sort some breakfast out, and I need to leave by about 11 this morning and get back home. So I might just sit and be with this space. So that's what I'm going to do. Sit and enjoy with my coffee. Back into this cozy space. Time for breakfast. And then we're going to go outside, hopefully light the fire pit and get some marshmallows roasting. Master fire starter. Getting us started. Pyrotechnic. Chief pyrotechnic.
Lovely. Perfect.
I'll wait on that bit.
Might be a bit hot.
Yeah.